Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on my 22-inch Murray lawnmower. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is my 22-inch 6 horsepower Murray lawnmower. I store this outside underneath of a lean-to so it gets dirty all winter long. We're going to get this thing cleaned up, looking better, and give it some maintenance for the new season. So let's start getting all this funk out of here. There's seeds and dirt and all sorts of stuff on this thing. I wish I had a better storage solution for this, but I don't right offhand. So we're just going to do what we can with this. I've had this about 17 years. This mower has been a little workhorse for me, man. It really has. First thing we're going to do is throw some hot soapy water on this. Try and get the funk off it. You just want to try and get some of the grit and the grime off this, man. This poor girl is always being left outside. Now, there we go. It's a little more respectable. Well, she's been burning oil for years. I'm rated none, so gotta get some oil in her. No way that should be that tight. It's not too fouled out. A little dirty. We'll clean it up with the wire wheel real quick. Yeah, this mower's been slowly starting to fail. Like I said, it is using a bit of oil. We'll have to address that, or we won't address it and we'll just save up some money and buy us a new one. Well, the filter's not terrible. It's a little dirty, but it's really not that bad. I think I might send Chrissy up to the auto parts store, see if she can't find a new filter for me real quick. Alright, I got the plastic popped off. I'll run that brush over that metal tin real quick just to clean the funk off it. I really can't see anything that's going on here. Everything is just so filthy. Holy crap, I can actually see. Alright. Throttle and spring response is good. All right. Whew. Well, the blade is not in bad shape, but she definitely needs some love. I'm gonna go wipe this down real quick. I think I might just throw a file on these. Really doesn't need much. I'm going to clean up the bolt for the blade. I know I got some anti-seize around here somewhere. I got to find it. There we go, some Loctite food grade anti-seize. Doesn't need to be food grade, but well, that's just what I have right now. Just enough. Doesn't need to be crazy. Alright, blade resharpened. Gotta get the plastics all put back on. Gotta get the screws put back into the plastics. It's 7 o'clock. I hope the auto parts store's still open. Sent Chrissy up there on that mission. The deck is starting to rust out on this. I know I only got maybe a couple of years left, but I want to try and get as many miles out of this as I can. Lawnmowers are pretty expensive now, and well, with the current prices of everything. Who has the extra money to buy a new lawnmower? I know I don't. I trash picked a lawnmower last week. It's sitting on the carport. I'm gonna have to order a bunch of parts for that. Hey, there she is. Look at that, my hero. She brought me a quart of oil and a new filter. Thanks, hon.
You're welcome, dear.
So that is cool. Look at that, guys. Brand new filter. Woohoo! And get rid of that soggy biscuit. Open up the cleaner again. I'm sure you guys have heard me say it before, but I do really like working on small engines. I find it rather satisfying just to try and troubleshoot. Well, put it to you like this, there isn't too many working parts on these either, so these are relatively simple to work on. Okay. Air filter is in. I don't think we need anything too much more on this. Other than this little cover shroud, which protects the, come on, get hooked up in there. There you go. I can't believe that thing is completely out of oil. I like using the STP 30 weight in my lawnmowers. It's a good all-around oil. It's a regular oil, it's not a synthetic. The only thing I use synthetic in is my vehicles. But equipment and stuff, it all gets regular oil. We're going to let that sit a little while, settle out. And we'll get this puppy started. Hopefully. Alrighty guys, we are all done with this one. That was quick and easy for springtime maintenance on that mower. We cleaned up the plug, we sharpened the blade, we gave it some fresh oil, we gave it a new air filter. We didn't have to do any carburetor work on that at all. Last fall, I ran the mower completely out. the excess fuel that was in the fuel bowl. I just unscrewed the fuel bowl, dumped it out, put it back on, and this year we had no issues at all with the startup. That's definitely some food for thought. I'm going to do that to all my small engines, and hopefully I will have no more carburetor issues with them. If this is content that you guys would like to see more of, please by all means put it in the comment section, because this is the stuff that I like to do. I like working with small engines, and I think it would be cool to share it with you guys. So let me know in the comment section. That's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you next week with another. Bye.